What's up? We're back again today because we got nothing else to do. I'm Michaela again.
Steven first.
Airsofting. DJ. Today we're gonna do another pistol. Don't worry, we got different guns. I just have 3 pistols and Steven's got one or 2. I think 1, right? Alright, and this one is pretty cool, wouldn't you say? It's good. Alright, so let me get the gun. The Glock EBB Korea version. 6.4 AAA batteries. It's got a banana clip, holds about 17 rounds. Gotta push down this button. It only does semi-automatic. And about 175 FPS, 180.
Maybe 190.
Yeah. When you get the gun, it comes with all this, but it comes with this.
680.
Yeah, BB. Stopper, so if you shoot and you don't know, it'll stop it. Let me put this down. And, here it is. I'm gonna shoot. There's nothing in it, so. Yeah, it's blowed up version. So here's close up. Safety. This is the safety. If you push down, it'll shoot. And if you don't, it won't. So, yeah. Alright, we'll pause it and we'll do a shooting test. Alright, we're back and I'm loaded with my Glock. And I'm going to shoot again. So this gun isn't that powerful. And it's kind of off aim, so we'll see what happens. Hit it. It fell. Alright, so I think I have one more bullet or so we're going to set it back up. And, yeah, so I think we got one more. I don't really know, so. Nope, alright, so I'm out. So let's go see the damage. The damage is just a couple dents. Got a couple dents. That's about it. So not really a bunch of dents. Now we'll shoot up close range, so we'll pause and get ammo again and shoot. Alright, we're back again, and I'm going to shoot close up. It didn't do a lot, so that's about it. Glock EBB.